Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these 3 different styles of beautiful paper quilling flower keychains, where I will show you how to make the base, how to create these 3D flowers along with the filler flowers, and how to attach the keychain. So you can convert this into purse charm, or you can use this as the keychain, and this is quite waterproof and sturdy, so you can use this on the daily basis. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. So I'm starting with my first keychain, that is a rose one. To create the base, here I am taking 20 strips of light red color in 3mm and making one big tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the tight coil is ready. Secure end using glue, and then I am applying lots of glue on top of this. Spread it nicely with brush and allow it to dry so that it will become sturdy. And the base is ready. Now to start with making quilling rose. For the biggest petal, here I am taking 1.5 strip of white color in 2mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Now just taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Add glue inside the dome. Spread it with brush and the petal is ready. So with the similar method, we need total 6 big petals, 5 medium sized petals which are made using 1 strip of yellow color in 2mm, and 3 small sized petals which are made using half strip of dark yellow color in 2mm. Now taking back my base, and exactly in the center I am applying silicone glue, spreading it evenly using any stick. And then start arranging the quilling rose. So starting with the smallest petal first, then I will add the medium layer, and then on the outer side I will add the large petal layer. Like this. Then to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color in 2mm, making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more leaves using 1/4 strip of dark green colors. So joining all 3 petals together and wrapping it using dark green strip. So the leaf is ready. Just removing the glue mark immediately using wet brush, and with the same method I have already prepared lots of leaves. Now to make filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 1mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Now joining total 4 petals together and making the filler flower. In the center I am adding tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip of white color in 2mm, and this is done. Similarly, we need total 3 flowers. Now taking back the base, and it's time to arrange everything. So first I am attaching the filler flowers, and then in between I am adding the leaves. and this is ready. Then I have decided to add one extra leaf between these two leaves, which is made using half strip of light green color in 2 mm. This is simple leaf shape, and then randomly I am adding some golden color stones here and there just to fill the gaps. And the beautiful first pattern is completely ready. Then I am proceeding for my second pattern, that is the blue flower. So to create the blue flower bigger size petal, here I am taking half strip of light blue color in 2 mm and making one teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of teardrops and also created small tight teardrop shapes, which are made using 1/4 strip of dark blue color in 1 mm. Now taking the base, which I have already prepared, and this is also made using 20 strips of golden yellow color in 3 mm. Added silicone glue in the center and then start arranging the flower. Like this. Then in the center of the flower I am adding this big tight coil, which is made using 1/2 strip of white color in 2 mm, and this is completely ready. Then to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared some more leaves already. Then I am making scroll here. So just dividing one dark sap green strip in 4 parts, hold it all together, fold it from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer. Just secure all the ends, level it up, cut the excess strips, and the scroll is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now I am decorating the bottom part of flower using leaves and scroll. Like this. Then on the topmost part I am adding these small filler flowers, which are made using 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 1 mm. This is simple tight teardrop shape. Added 3 petals and this is completely ready. So the second pattern is also done. Now I am starting with my third pattern. So to create flower, here I am taking half strip of light pink color in 2 mm and 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 2 mm and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping this petal using dark pink strip and the petal is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more petals. Now here I have prepared the base using 10 strips of light blue and 10 strips of medium blue color in 3 mm. Then in one of the corner of the tight coil I am adding silicone glue. Spread it using any stick and then I will arrange my flower. Like this. Then to create center of the flower, this time I am taking these thread pollens in a pink and white combination. Just gather all together, fold it from center, make it in even height. And then just wrapping one thread around the neck of the threads, make some knots and tighten it. Then cutting the excess thread from bottom, and the beautiful pollen center is ready. Now I am sticking this pollen center in the center of flower. Like this. Here I have added one small pink color tight coil which is made using half strip in 2 mm and spreaded my pollens around the tight coil. Then to make filler flower, here I am taking half strip of yellow color in 1 mm, teardrop shape. This is a tight teardrop shape, joining 5 petals together. And adding 1/4 strip of blue color tight coil in the center. So the flower is ready. Similarly, we need total 2 flowers. And also I have prepared some leaves already with the same method, just like we did before. Now taking back the base, and I am attaching the filler flower and the leaves. Like this. Then I am showing you how to attach the keychain with the quilling pattern. So here exactly on top I am making one hole using pointed tweezer, passing one silver jump ring through this, then attaching the keychain and tightening this jump ring using plier. And this is nicely attached, so our beautiful keychain is completely ready. Now to make it waterproof, here I am taking Perfect Glaze by Craftgully, applying it all over the quilled pattern to make it sturdy and waterproof, so that we can use this as the daily basis. Allow it to dry completely. And this is completely ready. With the similar method, I have glazed my remaining keychains and attached the keychain with the quilling patterns. So in this way you can create your own beautiful quilling flower patterns and convert this into precious keychains. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.